Hello there. Today I am going to talk to you about joining a Google Meet for any in-person class sessions that you have with a facilitator. From your MacBook, you can open in Chrome, it's recommended to open in Chrome, meet.google.com. You can also open this from the waffle on Google. If you go to Google, you'll find Meet, and that will take you to the screen that I'm showing here. Your facilitator is going to provide you with a meeting nickname or a meeting code. If you tap in this area, you'll be able to place the meeting code. You do need to wait until your facilitator is in the meeting to be able to join that meeting. So if I place the meeting code inside and the facilitator is not there, you see down here, you are not allowed to start a meeting. Now, if I, from my facilitator account, begin the meeting and then try to join, now I will be able to join the meeting. So I'll click Join Now, and I'll be able to see that myself and my facilitator are in the meeting, and we'll be able to have our class inside this Google Meet. At the end of the class, I'll simply use this button to hang up the call or simply close the tab and I've left the meeting. So that's how you can join a Google Meet using the class code provided by your facilitator. Again, they have to be in that meeting for you to be able to join. So if you place your class code here and for whatever reason it lets you know that you cannot begin a meeting, just be patient. The facilitator will be in a minute or two and you can try again. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.